classic cars. 2013 Mercedes-Benz Sprinter 2500. This has 170-inch wheelbase. This one is equipped with Midwest Automotive Designs mobile office conversion. Paint overall in very good condition. Got a nice shine to it. Tan interior on this machine. We do have a backup camera and monitors inside. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, and actual miles are just over 42,000. Later we're going to hear this run and we're going to take it for a drive. Make sure you stick around to the end of the video for that. 3-liter 6-cylinder diesel engine. As you would expect. Look at the glass, very nice condition. Sleek and black. Inside, we have 4 captain's chairs, tan in color, with armrests. We've got controls for overhead television screens, radio, audio, visual, HDMI inputs, HVAC controls. Right here we have switches for the lights of various kinds of speakers. The partition does not function. That will remain down. Here is our front screen. Overhead storage. All the way down. Right here we have a bar. Oh, it's blue LED lighting. Remote controls for nearly everything you're looking for. Speakers on either side. There's our overhead lighting. A fold-away desktop. Right here, I'll show you how that works. Very simple. Solid fold-away. Slides down in the armrest and disappears for a much more spacious area. Cup holders, of course. Power outlet right here. Here we have, if I forgot to point out, heated seats. Switches for the 2 front captain's chairs. Multiple media and power outlets. There is the bench seat right here in the back. And if you look at the controls over here, it is referred to as sofa. And when we push the sofa button, it power reclines. For much more comfort, rear television screen, HVAC vents, speakers all around. It's a little bit of a farther view. Very luxurious interior. We have a tablet mounted to the wall right here. And there is another monitor in the back of the unit. I'll take a look at that. Before we go back and look at that rear monitor, I wanted to mention these 2 captain's chairs have power reclining footrests. And also below there is storage. Now we've got these rear doors open. You can see the tailgater package. Speakers, ventilation, lights, giant screen subwoofer. Under these panels are the controls and boxes for those units and cooling fans. See those in the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. There's a lot of still pictures to go through, see all the details. There's some controls. On this side we have a master power switch. Amazing setup for tailgating. Before we hear it run, I want to mention there are additional features, like under that rear seat there's a slide-in refrigerator. The windows do have privacy shades that you can pull down, and the speakers have all been upgraded to Polk audio speakers. You can find out a full list of features on our website and at the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Included with this purchase is also a folder with operating instructions, which will be very handy to the new owner. Inside you can see we've got a screen on the dash. This is an automatic, very easy to drive for that reason. We've got our AC controls. In the rear, the partition window, which is open. Overheads, speakers, and storage. Down to our left, controls the driver can use, including the TVs, the satellite, the lights, speakers, and all your basic audio and video controls for the vehicle. Alright, let's hear what she sounds like and take a look under that hood soon. Nice, quiet, modern diesel. You can look at the dash. You got some storage. You put your drink right up on the top. Very comfortable seating. I'm going to pause this and we can take a look under the hood. And here we can see under the hood that 3-liter diesel. Clean and tidy under that hood. A very useful and fun machine that you could take to events. You could camp in it. Remember, we do consider trades. We can help with transportation. Remember to see all the photos at uniqueclassiccars.com. Give us a call at 507-386-1726. uniqueclassiccars.com.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a 2013 Mercedes-Benz Sprinter van. Talk about a party bus. This would be the party bus. Easy to drive, automatic. Right here, mounted to the dash, is the shifter for that automatic. The suspension feels nice, soft yet not too soft. Good acceleration, especially for a vehicle this size. Our rear view mirror is a digital screen, and when you use your turning signals, it shows you that there's nobody in your blind spot. Nice quiet ride, great visibility with a giant windshield and tall side glass, and we're sitting nice and tall. We have a touchscreen radio in the dash from Kenwood. leather seating, very comfortable bucket seats. Our brakes are working very well. It's really a pleasure to drive. You get such great visibility and easy steering, easy shifting. Acceleration, again, quite good. All that seating in the back, special features, great party bus. Take a look at all the pictures and learn more about this Sprinter van at uniqueclassiccars.com.